Okay guys, I want to show you some more of my plants. We have, look at my blueberries. We have several blueberry bushes. Oh look at the little bees on them. We're gonna have plenty of bloom. Gran's got to get them covered because the birds eat them so fast. Oh, look here. Look at there. Look at there. Heck yeah. See, that's got some bloom on it. It's not quite as big. This one, I don't know. It don't look quite as good. I need to do some trimming. You see this right here? That looks pretty bad. So I need to trim that up. This one looks pretty good. See this one? It looks pretty good. I need to trim the tops and the old limbs off. It gets so dry here in the summer, it is unbelievable. And if it gets too dry, then of course they don't do very good. There's another one. This one don't look quite as good. See this one? See the bottom of it? So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on. I bought some new spray. It's a natural spray. It don't have any chemicals or anything because I don't put any chemicals on my trees and plants. But look at this one. This one kind of looks pretty sad. It looks pretty bad. So, but anyway, I'm going to put that spray on. I think it's called Neem or Neem. Maybe that's what it is. So I told you that Gran trimmed the peach trees at the wrong time, right? These trees gave us a lot of peach. Look at this peach tree, guys. It is dead. I mean, all the way dead. So that one is too. That one is too. Never trim your peach trees in August. So we replaced it. So we go to a local store and we replace it. I think this peach tree is a goner. I don't think this peach tree is gonna live. We just planted it 3 weeks ago. Look how bad it is. It looks really bad. So that one we bought at the same time, and this one we bought at the same time, and it looks pretty bad too. I had hope, thought they was gonna, I thought, well, they've been dormant for a while. See, I thought that ain't anything. And when I look at it, let's see no, it's dead. So we're gonna have to take those back. So year before last, Gran trimmed his grapes and they bled. They bled for 3 weeks and they finally stopped. So I was so glad. I thought we'd lost them for good, but they're looking better this year. Look here. So hopefully we're going to get some grapes on this bad boy. You know, I do all my canning, so I'd like to make me some grape jelly. Here is the peach trees that another set we bought. Look how pretty these are. Now, these are really pretty. They are not. I bought them and I thought, well, I think they're white peaches. Guys, I don't like white peaches. But look how pretty the tree is. What can you do? You got to keep the tree. So you never know. Maybe they'll grow and they'll be yellow peaches. We'll see. Here's another one of them. Look how gorgeous this is. Is that not beautiful? We have to keep these around because the deer destroy them. So we've got plenty of bloom. Not a whole lot. We have a lot more bloom that'll come on, but they're just now starting to bloom. Our apple trees look kind of raggedy. Got 2 pear trees that was full of bloom, and I think they got killed because we had a freeze. Not just a frost. We had a freeze. So look here. There's gonna be, let's see. Oh heck, look here. Tell me you see these pears on here. Tell me you do. Nope, they're dead. Look at there. It just fell off. See? Now, that one may look pretty good. That one may look pretty good, but not very many. I do see some more, but I think they're burnt up. Let's see, these are burnt. See how they just fall off? They just really got burnt from the freeze. So we probably ain't gonna get too many pears this year. But we have another apple tree here. The bloom's not come up yet. But let me show you this tree. I'm very proud of this tree, okay? This tree, see how tall it is? It had one bloom on it. And I don't know if it stayed. I don't think it did. I think I lost it. But this came from a seed from the store. And when it was a baby, the deer hit it and it broke off the main bar. And this come up. I said, well, let's just save it. Let's just save this one. And I want you to look. So hopefully by next year, that is so pretty. Hopefully by next year, we'll be able to get an apple off of it. Hopefully. This is our Granny Smith, our Honey Crisp, Yellow Delicious, Red Delicious. There is here's another one of the peach trees. Let me show you. We got our little orchard going on. Guys, you plant trees, you plant fruit, you plant garden food. Whatever happens, you can still, you can still can this food. You can put the food up for years. Can everything you can. If you don't know how to can, learn how to can. This is I'll tell you in just a minute. This is a tree that Granville set out from a seed. This is a chestnut tree. So we actually have, the deer keep eating it. So we had to put a fence around it. We have a terrible time with the deer eating everything. But we love them, so. Look at this plum tree, guys. This is one I just bought. So this one's new this year. But look how gorgeous this thing is. That is beautiful, don't you think? So, and this is another one that we bought. A peach, and I think it's dead also. Look here. I'm so sad because it's such a big tree. It's like, yeah, I think it's dead too. Let's see. Oh no, it's green. It's green. It's green. Shucks, I probably shouldn't have done that just now. But it's green. But look how big it is already. So hopefully it'll come out. I'm hoping they're just in dormant, because sometimes when you buy them, that's what it is. And if you give them a while, then they'll come back. So, but, oh, I want to show you. We got a couple more peach trees. But I want to show you something. This is the neatest thing. Have you ever tasted of a pawpaw? We have a pawpaw tree. Actually, we have a couple younger ones coming up below it. Well, beside of it. And sprouts, of course, which is fine. Here's another chestnut tree. Let's see what it looks like. I've not been down to see any. Oh, it looks good. Can you see the green on it? Look here. See the green? It looks pretty good. Okay. But I want to show you our pawpaw tree. I'm so excited. But we had pawpaws last year, and the squirrel ate them all. All of them. Do you see them? Have you ever tried a pawpaw? Look how cute. Look at there. Look at all of them in the tree, guys. Look. Can you see them? Look at that. Look. See that fruit in there? Oh, I just took the leaves off, didn't I? See that fruit hanging there? See it? It's so good. It's like here, look here. It's like the taste of a, kind of like a banana. See, here's another pawpaw tree come up. Look at there. Look at there. And then here's another one come up below it. See right here? But it's like a half a banana and maybe, I'm not for sure, maybe an orange or something. But they have the best taste ever. And we got one last year before last. And their grass has not come up good yet. It's still just now getting over the winter. But so Grant and I halved it because he didn't want to take the whole and I didn't want to take the whole, so we halved it. So, but as this stuff starts growing, I'll start showing you. Hopefully we'll get plenty off of it. We can can some good food for the winter this year, and we'll can together. How's that sound? Okay, see you on next video.